sweeties, I hope you're doing well. In today's video, we'll be cleaning our brushes. I will tell you how I do it and the best techniques depends on the brushes. We're gonna use these bad clean brushes. Mine is small, but it is because I clean one brush at a time, so I don't think I need a big one. Um, Also, I'm gonna start letting you know how I clean my foundation brushes, which is the hardest one to clean as it is pretty dense and it takes lots of product and oil from our face. I use dish soap to clean them, and here you can see my foundation brush, which is pretty dirty, and in the inside between the, the hairs, it's more dirty than we think it will. So I clean this brush a little different than the other ones. I wet it at first. I wet it not too much, just a little bit, and then take a little look that I massage a little bit, and then I take a little bit of dish soap. After doing that, I start massaging between the hairs for the foundation and the oil and all the dirty that has the brush to go out. Look how much dirty it is. Look at that. And the dish soap I selected by not putting my brushes pretty harsh and dry and awful, and that it removes the oil pretty good because our faces has lots of oil even when you think it doesn't. Even me that I have super dry skin, I have lots of oil, and it is the best to use something that removes all of it. Here you can check which part is dirty, and when you see it is dirty, you start massaging there to remove it. This one is my contour brush. This never touches concealer or any liquidy as my contour is powder, sorry, my bad. So I'm just gonna clean it with the brush cleaner. I'll take some soap and then I'm gonna start swiping it. You can see how the dirty goes out there. This one is my brush, my blush brush. And as you can see, it doesn't use any liquid one. However, the blush that I use is a loose powdered blush that is like transformed in cream when you pat it under your skin. So it will be kind of oily. So we're gonna clean like multiple times for it to get removed and not be so oily and that. Here you will be able to see all the pink that goes out of this brush. Also, all the brushes that I use in my face should have rest of foundation and concealer as I use it after putting foundation and concealer, of course. So, of course, we'll have all of these right there. One is my blender brush. This one I use it clean. I mean, I pat my my eyeshadow on my eye, and then I use this one to blend, so it gets less dirty than the other brushes that I use for my eye. However, it gets dirty too because first of all, I use it a lot, and second of all, it is used to blend, and I blend a lot. You haven't noticed, or if you're new in this channel, I use three brushes when I'm doing eye looks, one to pack the color, one to blend, and all, one clean brush to clean, which is this one, and another clean brush to blend. So you will notice that if uh, also if you're new here, please subscribe because I'm gonna have lots of new tutorials here. The next one will be how to cut your crease in hooded eyes. There are three ways that I do it, that I like to do it, and I would like to show you and let you know which is better for me and in which the scenario is better. Look how white it got. I mean, it, it was super dirty because I did like a brownish glam eye, and I used this one, and it was super brown. Now, these are the brushes that I use. This is the brush that I use to pack the color on my eye and on my face. This one is the one that will be super dirty. I'm sure about it. Also, this is the third brush that I use to blend. So it's the least weary of my blending brushes. And well, look how dirty it is. And you have to put it like looking down your ears for it not going to the stick because it's gonna be super bad. And well, this is all for today's video. Hope you like it. Sorry for my nails. I fall asleep when I do them. And have a good day. I love y'all. Subscribe, please. Love ya. That looks like a bat. Uh, booty booty.